Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the 21st to the 27th. On the 25th, it is Thanksgiving. The following day, it is Black Friday. Typically, Walgreens has a couple freebies, cheapies, but it is not here. I also do not see any digital boosters, like a 5 off of 20 or like a 10 back when you spend 50, nothing. So I'm thinking on Monday or Tuesday something's going to drop, or perhaps the Wednesday or Thursday something's going to drop in the app. I will let you guys know, but typically how this works is on Thanksgiving Day, CVS, Rite Aid, and Walgreens, they all have some sort of Black Friday deals to get you to shop at the pharmacy, so I will be babysitting the app to check it out. If you were an avid user of the Fetch Rewards app, look what I found yesterday. I have 2 different deals for some free bread. Now, I did track down the Sara Lee, those little steak rolls at Walmart, and it was free, guys. So if you have been allergic to this app, download it today. Use the link in the notes. And when you submit your first receipt, you're going to be given $2. It could be a pack of gum you bought last week or an Egg McMuffin you bought today. And like, look at this, guys. For my little rolls, I got back the $2.90 that I paid for it. So it is a really easy app. Just follow the link, download it. And again, when you photograph your first receipt, $2. And then typically Fetch towards Thanksgiving, as it is a time of giving, lots of little freebies might be popping up. So definitely be on that app and look around and see what they might have as we get closer to the 25th. Alrighty guys, back to the matchups. The first little dealio that I have is for some very inexpensive mascara. One little dealio that I did find on my own was this, which is a BOGO 50% off on Maybelline, L'Oreal Paris, or Etsy, which is the nail care. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off. And it's like, oh, that's not very good. But if you're looking at the Maybelline kits that are $10.99, we have 2 digital coupons that are attaching to this. And if you look, the end date for this is December the 4th. So that's going to work. And then this one is January the 14th. So load both of them and I have a quick deal for you. Grabbing 2 of them is $16.48. Remember, BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the 4 and the 2, that's $6 off. I would also throw in $10 of Walgreens cash. You're paying 48 cents. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash or one $5 store register reward, absolutely go for it. Now, typically on Thanksgiving morning, there's some sort of really high value digital coupon that shows up for like a shaving kit, like, you know, a ladies Gillette, a men's Gillette, one of these Bulldogs, like anything that's $10. Sometimes there have been like $5 coupons or $8 coupons. So we'll really have to be on the lookout for that. And when I do have information, I will share it with you guys, I promise. But something is really up with this ad. I mean, maybe it's the people who are designing it. They're throwing us that for Thanksgiving. Who knows? But typically they keep this stuff under lock and key until 24 hours before the sale or like really, really close. But when I do get the information, I will let you guys know. Okay, the rest of these deals valid from the 21st to the 27th. The gifts of the week include the totes of footwear. So $16.99, it'll be half of that. And the Russell Stover's boxed chocolate, 50% off. And I think the original price is $9.99, so it'll be $4.99 per box. Okay, so let's talk about this store coupon. If you look at the top, it says store coupon. I don't know about you guys, but I have like, I think 8 in my purse right now, so I've got to make some deals happen. These are 1 per transaction. Treat it like an IVC or a Walgreens coupon. You do not need a filler item to use these with any sort of a deal. They just scan like an IVC, but they do not roll, which means if you have another deal for a 5 back when you spend 10 for this store coupon, a second one will not print for you, so you really have to pay attention to that rule. Okay, first little deal with these store register rewards is a buy 3 get 1 for free, Downy Tide Simply, and we're going to utilize this guy. At the top, it says store coupon, and I know a lot of you probably have a bunch, and you're like, how do I use them? So let's use them. Grabbing 4 of these products, that's $9.87. Let's throw in one $5 store coupon register reward, along with $4 of Walgreens cash. You're paying 87 cents plus your tax and laughing all the way to the bank and back. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash in conjunction with this little deal to get some very inexpensive detergent or softener. The next one we're looking at is the 99-cent Dawn dish liquid. good. This product has jumped up to, I think, $1.29 at most stores. And yes, this is the itty bitty one, but if you like Dawn dish soap, it's really good for cutting grease. We have this little guy, which is our $5 store coupon that we're going to utilize for this deal. All of those ladies on TikTok that clean, they always swear by this dish detergent, and it's for a reason. It's really good. Grabbing 6 of them, that's $5.94. Let's use one $5 store register reward. You're paying 94 cents, which is a really terrific price point. Okay, buy 2, get 2 for free. This is typically like a Black Friday deal, and the toys must be at the same cost. It says it in the fine print. Must be at same price. Boom, there it is. But $6.99, you're going to grab 4 of them, or grab 4 like toys. And we have our store coupon again, which is $5 off. I know that at my store, they're doing a drive for Toys for Tots, and that box is really bare, so this would be a really good donation. Grabbing 4 of them, that's $13.98. Subtracting that $5 store register reward and $5 of Walgreens cash, I'm paying $3.98 for the 4, like 99 cents per toy. And if I'm using my Walgreens cash for this scenario, absolutely okay. Okay, the Viva and Cottonelle, $3.99. My goodness gracious, that is really inexpensive. Utilizing one of these, the $5 store coupon, we're grabbing 2 of the Vivas for $7.98, subtracting the $5 store coupon register reward and $2 of Walgreens cash, you're paying 98 cents. Photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because both Viva and Cottonelle are part of their catalog. You will get back extra points for that purchase. Now a little something for newer couponers, 3 for $6, so $2 per Purex. That is a really good price point. Again, we're going to have our little friend and utilize this. And if you're going to do a couple of these deals, you're going to have to break it up all into different transactions. So if you wanted to get Viva and Purex, that is 2 transactions because this store register reward only scans once per transaction. Isn't that lovely? Back to the deal, 3 Purexes is 6 on the nose. Subtracting our $5 store register reward, you're paying $1. And if you want to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down that dollar, absolutely go for it. Okay, guys, 3 for $9.99 for the Pepsi. That's fantastic. 3 for $6 for the Doritos, $2 a bag. Also fantastic. A lot of very inexpensive food in this flyer. 2 for $13 for the Olay or Old Spice, and there's going to be a 2 off of 2 digital. $5 store coupon when you spend 10, so you cannot roll a store coupon in this scenario. If you ask, it's still a no. So grabbing 2 of the Olays for 13 on the nose, there's a 2 off of 2 that we're going to load on Sunday morning. We're also going to throw in $10 of Walgreens cash. We're going to pay $1 plus the tax, and then we're going to get back a $5 store register reward. And again, if you wish to use your Walgreens cash, that's fine, but do not use a store register reward to pay for this because the second one will not print out. Okay, the next deal is on that same promotion of spend 10, get a $5 store register reward, so don't roll them again. So we're going to be grabbing $10 worth of the Crest, and a couple weeks back we had this digital, and I'm sure it's going to attach, which is a 6 off of 4. The other one's a chintzy $2 off, and that just does not make any sense. So grabbing 4 of these guys, that's 12 on the nose, subtracting that 6 off of 4, you're paying 6 out of pocket, getting back your $5 store register reward, making it $1 for the 4 or 25 cents per product. If you want to use your Walgreens cash, again, that's totally fine, just no store register reward. Okay, now let's talk about some different deals with the Listerine. This is a spend deal. It's to spend 10 and earn back 5. So this one is different because it's with the Walgreens cash and it's a spend offer. So grabbing 2 of the Listerines priced at $6.49, that is $12.98. Look for the dollar hang tags or go to the Listerine website to print out some internet printables. You'll pay $10.98 with your debit card, get back $5 of Walgreens cash, making it $5.98 for the 2. Do not use your store register rewards because it'll dip it down below the $10 threshold, or the Walgreens cash to pay because this is a spend offer with the Listerine. The next deal that we have is with the Pantene, 3 for $15. I believe these are going to be the much larger containers of the shampoo. It was last time because usually when they're 3 for $15, it's the big monsters that are on the bottom shelf. So we're going to grab 3 for $15. Earlier this month, we had this 4 off of 3. As you can see, it expires on the Saturday. So we're going to grab 3 of the big daddies. So 3 for 15, subtracting that 4 off of 3 digital, you're paying $11, getting back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now this is not a spend one. So if you wish to use Walgreens cash or the store register reward, yes, you can, because it's not a spend offer. It's just a straight buy this, get $5 of Walgreens cash. I know, super confusing. Okay, the next dealio that we have is on the Purell hand sanitizer. There's going to be $1 digital, and then you get back $1 store reward. So I'm guessing that's a register reward. So grabbing one Purell for $2.99, subtracting that $1 digital, you're paying $1.99 out of pocket, getting back $1 register reward, making it 99 cents. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. The All Snuggle products are going to be $2.99. We're going to have $1 digital coupon, dropping that down to $1.99. So be on the lookout for that one on Sunday morning. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. We have a gift card deal on the radar, which is to spend $25 on Apple, Cabela's, Bass Pro. You have to buy 2 of them, and then you get back a $10 Walgreens gift card. How nice is that? It's like Merry Christmas to you and Merry Christmas to the couponer. Also on this page, we have a bunch of Squishimals, and a lot of these are kind of reduced in cost. Look at those slippers for $12.99. I might have to buy a pair for myself because they're so stinking cute. And that bear with the hot cocoa, OMG. A lot of adult beverages, all of them have $5 rebates or $4 rebates. So basically you buy it, and then the little printout comes out of the Catalina machine. You send it to the manufacturer, and then they send you back a check or a gift card. Usually takes about a couple weeks to process. We have a BOGO free on the DiGiorno and a BOGO free on the Haagen-Dazs. So if you need to stock up on these goods for your celebrations of Thanksgiving or to have extra food in the house, this might be a deal for you. And then the Oscar Mayer bacon for $4.99. If you're living in New York City, I saw a story about bacon like this being upwards of $15. Go to Walgreens for this. The coffee for $5.99, also another good stock up price. If you're taking any stock of what's in the news, you probably need everything on this page right here, or just buy a couple things and keep it in your pantry in case something hits the fan. I don't even know what to think of that. The Yankee Candle holiday set for $19.99. This is $10 off. This set is $29.99, so I believe that is part of a deal of the week. I love it when this is like about $3 at the end of the season, so I'll have to wait for that in January. And the Coca-Cola products, this is actually $3 off because the week previous it's $13.99 for 3, but this is 3 for $10.99, which is a really solid stock up price. So I will be getting a couple Cokes for Mr. Kimono. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!